strip both ends of the cable sufficiently and leave about a centimeter thin. Next, arrange the color sequence of the cable and align the front end. The next step is to insert the cable into the connector. Then, twist the cable rod using Crimp LAN Cable. The final step is to test the cable using the LAN tester to ensure the cable was properly installed.